What if you could make money while sipping hot cocoa, watching holiday movies, or even while you sleep? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. This holiday season, I'm sharing a simple way to start earning passive income online with no upfront costs, no inventory, and minimal effort. The holiday season is the biggest shopping time of the year, and people are looking for unique, thoughtful gifts. That's where you come in. With just a little creativity and the right tools, you can create products that sell on autopilot. And the best part? You don't need any experience to get started. Let me introduce you to Printify, a print-on-demand platform that makes this process incredibly easy. Here's how it works. You create designs, upload them to Printify, and choose from a wide range of products like mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, or even holiday ornaments. When someone buys your product, Printify takes care of everything, printing, packaging, and shipping it directly to your customer. You don't have to worry about inventory or upfront costs because Printify is free to use. First, start by signing up for Printify. It's quick and completely free. Once you're in, take a look at the catalog. They offer hundreds of customizable products that you can sell. For the holiday season, focus on festive items like Christmas-themed mugs, sweaters, or tote bags. These are always popular gift choices. Next, you'll need to create your designs. Don't worry if you're not a professional artist. Tools like Canva are perfect for beginners. Canva is free to use and comes loaded with templates, fonts, and elements that make it super easy to create beautiful designs. If you want to stand out, focus on holiday themes. Think cozy winter vibes, Christmas quotes, or festive patterns. Remember, simple and trendy designs tend to sell the best. Once your designs are ready, upload them to Printify and apply them to the products you want to sell. The platform's mock-up generator will even create realistic product images for you, which are great for your online listings. Now it's time to list your products for sale. Printify integrates seamlessly with popular marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and even your own Shopify store. Etsy is a fantastic option because it's a marketplace filled with people looking for unique gifts. But don't limit yourself. eBay and Amazon have massive audiences, and Shopify gives you full control over your brand if you want to build your own online store. Here's why this method is perfect. Once your products are listed, the work is mostly done. When someone places an order, Printify handles the rest. You'll earn money while focusing on other things, or simply relaxing during the holidays. To boost your sales, make sure to promote your products. Share them on social media, post in holiday shopping groups, or create a TikTok showcasing your designs. If you have the budget, you can even run low-cost ads to reach more potential customers. The goal is to get as many eyes as possible on your products because the holiday season is short, and people are ready to buy now. The beauty of this setup is that you're not just making money for the holidays. This can turn into a year-round source of passive income. After the holidays, you can switch to other themes: Valentine's Day, birthdays, or motivational quotes. The possibilities are endless. So if you've been looking for a way to make extra money this holiday season, this is it. With Printify and free design tools like Canva, you can create a profitable side hustle without spending a dime up front. Start today, and you could have your first sales rolling in before the holidays are over. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips.